At every step of my career, I was focused on telling the local stories of these communities. Local is where it all begins.
When you engage communities, you help them bridge the gap between them and policymakers.
If residents can't drink clean water, if they can't live in an environment that's not polluted by freeway emissions, then we're not doing our job as journalists if we're not addressing those local issues. A lot of times reporters are rushing from one story to the next. It's really hard to build that trust. You often have to spend your own time. When I was working on my lead contamination project, I would show up on Saturdays to a street fair, but not necessarily to report on anything specific. It was about building that community trust with the residents.
They start looking at you as someone who is with them, who is part of them. We have had people look through their stories so they're able to say, this is John, this is Henry, I know him, he's from this community. They come and say, we didn't tell you much of our issues. We thought probably you are government spies, but now we see that you covered our issues, you came and talked to us, now we are able to trust you to tell you more of our issues.
We've been seeing over the last 20 years these news deserts that are lacking the local reporters to tell these stories. If we can find the resources to build up our newsroom so that we have enough people covering these issues, it would go a long way towards building that trust that I think we're missing in so many communities towards the news industry.